Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today, trying to freshen up the front of the S10. This is mostly because it's broken. So, made an order to LMC Truck, ordered a brand new grill. I would say first step is to remove the old grill, but that kind of happened already. So, had a little bit of an accident. Front grill got a little smashed up, so I've removed all of that. So really all we got to do is just shove the new one on. Also, while we're at it, I'm going to swap out that steering wheel. I like the Sparco. It's just way too small for this truck. So I got a better one from the junkyard, factory one, but leather wrapped. Alright guys, once again using the Volvo as a table because I've got a bunch of projects going on. But right here we've got the shiny new grill. Cut this open and see what we're looking at. This one is just black. It is paintable, as they say. So in theory I can paint this body color or whatever I want. But I'm just going to leave it black for now. I would have bought the emblem, but seemingly no one sells that. And also I guess this is non-OE. It's a non-original equipment because it's put right there, just in case you thought this was a genuine General Motors product. I don't even know if GM actually makes this anymore, but if they do, it will be expensive. But what we got to do with this is two things. One, we're going to stick our marker lights on. Two, we've got to stick the mounting clips. So this whole front grille is just clipped into place. So these are the original clips and a couple I grabbed at the junkyard. You can see this sort of shape. It focuses, clips onto the grill right here, and then this big end plugs into holes on the radiator core support. But before we do those, we're gonna install the marker lights. So these are the shiny new marker lights I got, and they do just plug in right there. Because an S10 is a modern vehicle, it literally just clips together like Legos. And because I wanted to be a little fun, I splurged and I got the clear turn signals, which, obviously you do need, it does need to be amber, so I did actually pick up the amber bulbs from them. They're only a couple bucks. And there we go, that's the bulb. So that will plug into, in our actual, holder. But these guys, this should be, I believe this is the left-hand side. Basically, we've just got, it kind of hinges in on this side, and then we've got a clippy clip right there. So it's pretty basic, super easy. Oh. Well, it looks like with these cheap aftermarket things, I do need to modify it. That plastic isn't quite sharp enough, so I need to just take a little file to this so that this will actually spring out. Alright, hopefully that was it. Well, that side's clipped in. I've just got to file a little more on this one to get that. Well, maybe that just needs to snap. Well, I hear complaints about reproduction parts not quite fitting right, and we're seeing it firsthand. But that's reasonably well. You'll see, there's the front. So now let me get the other side in. Alright, got both of them in. Time to add the clips. So there are 11 spots for clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think. So basically you just gotta go stick them on. Alright, I guess this one just has 9 clips. I know the kits to buy new ones come with 11, so I guess some grills take 11. This one just takes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the bottom, and then 4 up top. These other little tabs are just there to locate some other things. They're not actually part of it. And I looked on the grill, and this doesn't come in, or on the course board, and these little tabs don't come anywhere near anything. So, yeah, let's plug it on. Alright, before I do anything though, let's just swap these bulbs out. This just pulls out, and then I just take my shiny new one, stick it in. It only goes in one way. I don't know if you can plug it in the wrong way. But basically, you'll see there's one contact on one side and then 2 on the other. So you've got to make sure that you've got it correctly oriented. Oh, actually, looking at the bulb, you can probably put it in both ways and it will work. They decided to make it idiot-proof. So there we go. Now we can stick the grill on and deal with that mess. Alrighty, got the grill. Now I'm just going to peel off the little stickers on the back of the headlights, or the marker lights. Those are there to keep all the whatchamacallits, goo and stuff out of there. Just make sure there's no dust for shipping. Go. Now let's close the hood, see how she looks. Well, it could be worse. I think I might actually paint this. If not body color, I might paint it flat black. But for now, I've got turn signals and I've got a grill again, so she's legal. I should probably also do something about that bumper, but that's another day. Okay, so the other reason I'm switching out the steering wheel back to stock is not only is the other one just really small, which is fine, but it's so small that it actually blocks all of my gauges. So I can't read the top of my speedometer, I can't see my temp, I can't see my fuel gauge without moving around. So now with the stock wheel, or a stock-like wheel, I actually can see the entire gauge cluster. Look at that. So easy to see. Much better than that. Alright guys, I suppose that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.